Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am not with anyone else playing Minecraft, but I've got a cool build I would like to show you that you can use. And it will be a bit of briefing too. So you need slime, you need both types of pistons, you need observers, you need TNT, and that's basically it. So if you don't know how to build a flying machine, I'll show you now, but you basically need to build it a few blocks above the floor, then put an observer here facing that way specifically, then a normal piston, then leave a gap in between them, and an observer and a sticky piston there. And once you activate the sticky piston by placing a new block there, it will go off. And the way to stop this is by getting some obsidian and just placing it in front of the observer there. Be warned, it will start moving again once you break that obsidian. In the case that it does get stuck, then you need to rebuild the machine. Now, to make the griefing model, you need to make sure it's fairly above the floor. Then you need to do the normal flying machine model, like so. But then on here, I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. You need to observer. Oh, I forgot. You need a dispenser. Now this can be anything. It doesn't have to be TNT, but I'm going to use TNT for this model. Let me just. I'll put 42 in there, and then this will hopefully drop TNT every time it moves. Like so. Now, I'll rebuild this for the purpose of you seeing what it's like in survival to be in this mess. Then I'm going to get more TNT just so it runs on. So I'm going to, must have forgot to put the sticky piston there. And I'm going to quickly game mode survival, place that there and get underneath. Almost an instant death. But make sure, in that case, it was too close to the ground, so it blew itself up. So make sure you build it about 20 blocks off the ground, I'd say. Okay, thanks for watching my tutorial on how to build a bomber. See you in the next video.